Welcome to Your Time with Andy. And in this episode, we'll take a walking tour of BGC, which is also known as Bonifacio Global City. The place that I'm right now is called a Serendra. It's a residential complex, and this portion is a dining hub. It's pretty popular with locals. The central artery of BGC is a street known as BGC High Street. And this is a walking mall and a very interesting place to check out. I'm taking a short detour to a place called as High Street South. To me, BGC is an epitome of live, work, and play concept. This park is known as Terra 28. This is High Street South. It's got numerous restaurants and bars and a lively place. This is Maybank Performing Arts Theatre. The spot that I'm right now is sort of an extension of the High Street South block. This is a very interesting and an impressive coffee shop. So, BGC is a master plan community and it was designed to impress. But the most interesting thing that I like about BGC is that they just did not design it, they actually pulled it off. Cheers. And that building with the golden dome on top is Grand Hyatt BGC, and that's the tallest building in Metro Manila. I'm in a mood to try some hakao, and I'll go for the most recent mistakes, the chili garlic hakao. I've ordered two different types of hakaos. This is the chili garlic one, and this is, of course, the regular hakao. Okay, I tried both the hakaos, the chili garlic one and the regular one. Chili garlic is a good innovation, but I think still the traditional one wins. And after my little detour, I'm back on the BGC High Street. A lot of people make the mistake of spending time along the BGC High Street. Of course, this is recommended, but what I wanted to show you was there's a lot of action on the sidelines. I made a little detour again. I've come on the other side of the High Street, and this is the track 30-second park. And this is the final block of the High Street. It ends here, and there are a lot of restaurants here and a small mall as well. BGC is retail on steroids. There's a mall inside here. It's Central Square Mall, small but plush. The street is known as the Fifth Avenue, And this is the Philippine Stock Exchange. Go. 3D billboards, flashy lights. This is where BGC hits a bit of the New York vibe. And a bit of a Shibuya vibe as well. And there's another mall here. And this stretch also has some amazing restaurants and bars. BGC, you really have too many options to choose from. Open spaces and the nature is very well integrated into this modern concrete jungle. And we got some more restaurants here in a very nice ambience. That is Shangri-La BGC. I'm inside the One High Street Mall. It's got a bit of shopping and some excellent restaurants. And what I like the most about this mall is the impressive view deck. And this is Hopestown, also known as Burger Circle. Burger Circle is primarily a residential area and a restaurant district. But wait, there's also a catch here. The stretch that you see here actually transforms into a nightlife district on the weekends. It's too early for nightlife. There are spots like Mamacita and Dr. Wine, which are very popular. And this is Dr. Wine, one of the nicest bars in Manila. This stretch in particular only gets busy as it gets dark. There seems to be a weekend market here. And if beer is your thing, this is Tap Station. They've got about 30 beers on tap, maybe more. And I'm inside Dr. Wine. Street art is an integral part of the BGC personality, but it is done in style, in an elegant fashion. I'm inside Mamacita. It's 6:30 in the evening and it's still very buzzing. But if you come here at 10 o'clock, this place transforms. They have a DJ here, it gets packed and it gets very rocking. I'm trying this Japanese place called Sakagura. This place is actually managed by a Japanese chef and the fish is air flown from Japan. The word authentic is actually often misused, but this place is genuinely authentic. If you want to have a great sushi experience, I recommend Sakagura. BGC puts on a completely different filter when it gets dark. This is Portal, where you can actually see the different cities of the world live. I think this is Hungary. I'm right now at a place called as Uptown Parade, and this is a part of Uptown BGC. Uptown Parade is home to a place called as the Palace, which is a nightclub, and it gets very busy. Gordon Ramsay has set up a pop-up store here, and behind these buildings is Mitsukoshi Mall, which is another interesting place to check out. And this is the office block of Uptown BGC, and below that is a pretty big mall. It's called as the Uptown Mall. And this is the Mitsukoshi Mall. Yeah, this is the Park Triangle Mall. This is a newly opened mall in BGC. It looks small from outside, but it's not that small. And they also have One World Delhi here. This is an international gourmet store and a pretty big restaurant as well. And that's it for this episode. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.